Hey Alex, so the forms in Omnisend, you just go to Forms and then select the branded welcome discount. Right in here, instead of delivery, just put pickup. Um, and reason we put first order is that psychologically, if you want to create an exchange with your customers, where if you're giving them a discount code or you're requesting them to do something, that you're giving them something of value, right? So there's a large psychological difference between something that someone just gets for free and the value associated with your brand versus a specific discount, or they're going to get a free battery kit or whatever the value is for what they're doing. And so that's why you want this to be with your first order. And then if you're asking them to do something in the future, you would switch that. We definitely want to upload any past customers, or if you have a customer list, into Omnisend. And when you get on a paid plan, we can remove all of the powered by Omnisend tags. So thanks so much. Talk to you soon.